Hey traders, how you doing? Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. This is Thursday, April 24th, 2025. I want to thank you for listening in to this video. Appreciate it. Let's take a look at the market and we'll look at a couple of charts as well. So the SPY, if we take these highs up here, February highs, and then the low, right there is the 50% retracement line. And here we've made a low, high, we've come back and made a double bottom or higher low off the 500 period moving average. That's what that little dashed line is there. And now we've run up. Remarkably, the market closed pretty well today compared to what the market's been doing. Pretty solid overall today. Now the big trick will be to see that follow through. Now that we're not over the 50% retracement yet, we are simply right there. The market needs to pop up over that, needs to hold. The next target I'll be looking at pretty much the 50 period moving average. That's the blue line right there. And then of course, if that works, then we'll move up a little bit higher, but let's take one little baby step at a time. And let's just see if the market can actually close over the 50% retracement. Before we go any further, I want to remind everybody, if you have forgotten, April 29th, this coming Tuesday, I'll be having an open house, and you're more than welcome to come in the trading room. It's absolutely free. Please come in. I want to share it with you. As a bonus, if you register for the open house, I will be sending out a 2-day free pass as well. So Tuesday's an open house, come on in, and then you'll also receive a 2-day free pass to the trading room. Any 2 days you want, you can, well, no, I take that back. I lied to you there. I'm sorry. I think you have to use it. Once you start it, you have to use it within a period of time, but we'll get that squared away. Sorry, I don't know everything about that part of it. So also, if you like this video, please click on that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, to our X channel. Absolutely would appreciate it. All right, let's take a look at some charts. PLTR, I think, goes higher. I think PLTR is doing wonderful. So why did I close mine today? Well, I closed it because I was up 57%. Now, some people and some have already asked me, well, why didn't you just put a stop underneath it? Well, the simple thing is, if this started to come back, the options would kill me on it, would take my money away. Well, what if the stock continued to go higher? I'm not in the business of what if, not completely. So we've got a nice run here, and I really don't care what stock it is. It starts moving up this parabolic. Your probabilities of a pullback and rest are extremely high. Now, it can certainly go higher before it pulls back. That's okay. I took my 57% out of the market. I was happy. I had a great day today, and I think most traders would be thrilled with 57%. So I took it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for another pullback. See this pullback right there? Let me mark that. Right there. Big fat. See that pullback right there? That's what I'm going to wait for. Another pullback. And then I'm going to wait for the buyers to come in just like they did right there. Now, what I'm going to do with that is I have a special watch list. It's not this one. It's another one over here that has some special stocks on it. And the special stocks are stocks I really like that I'm looking to buy, that are set up, kind of set up now. I just need that last little push. And this is the scanner I use, the Live Trading Alert Scanner. So we'll be talking more about that in the open house if you're interested, and how you could get a completely free month with Hit and Run Candlesticks by trying the scanner out for a month. That's it. I'll be glad to help you with it. Anyway, PLTR is looking pretty good. Let's take a look at NVDA, NVDA. Now, I bought some NVIDIA today. And let's just take baby steps to start with. So here we are with NVIDIA. Let me do this and this. So here we have low to a high, to a higher low. Now we're trying for that higher high, right? We're trying to get up here. Well, what I like about this, let me clean this up a little, move that line here. You see this area right there? Let me mark this off for you. That dashed line down to the red line. So this is the construction stage down here. Well, we've broken out of the construction stage, and now we get the building stage. So what I'm looking for is the first step over that construction stage to move up here into that 50% area. Now there's a couple things that's got to happen first, okay? And this is important. We're going to have to clear that 50 period moving average. So that may be a stumbling block, and we may see a little aggravation in price. We'll watch that carefully. If heavy selling doesn't come in, then I will keep my NVIDIA looking for the breakout or the test up in here to that 50% trading range. Now we're starting to get into some money. I mean, look at that. It's 16% from right there to that top. So at 16%, an entry, like I said, I bought some today, up to the 50 period moving average, that's 9%. If you're buying an option, which I did, we're talking 25, 30%, maybe more by the time you move up to that 50 period moving average. So that's my trade logic on NVIDIA. Now here's some crazy logic for you. Tesla. I also picked up some Tesla. Let me move this out of the way. I picked up some Tesla today. Now I've been an owner of TSLA for quite a while. I've owned TSLA. I have it in another account. In another account, I bought Tesla today. So here's Tesla. We've got a low, high. We've got a higher low. We've got morning star here. Let me put this into a 2-day chart. There's a good morning star for you right there. 3-day chart. Man, that's just a nice price action chart right there. Kind of like a rising method in a way, close to a rising method. Now, back to the daily. We are still in the construction stage here. Construction stage is that bottom. Let me go make that closer. There we go. The bottom up to the first red dash line. So once we break out of that construction stage, that's going to put the 50 percent retracement in target. Now there's going to be a little bit of an issue right through here, and that's because there's the 50, there's that breakout area, there's the 200, and there is the dotted deuce or the modified 200 period moving average. So we could, if I had to, guess on something, maybe we move up, we run up here, and we probably see a little bit of consolidation, enough to shake some people out, enough to get people in. And then once we take off, then I'm looking for that 50% retracement. Anyway, that's my trade logic with Tesla here. Hey, 8 minutes. I don't want to bore you. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Would greatly appreciate it. You'll be alerted whenever I put a video out there. We'll see you guys all later. Sign up for that open house. Love to have you in the room. And you get 3 full days of in the trading room, okay? Take care and thank you.